There's one more way back there.
Here. No. Mom.
What? Give me. Give me.
Mom.
What?
Can I ride in the street?
Not if I'm not there with you.
Campsite?
Last little thing.
Did you just restart my phone?
No.
Yeah, you did. It's alright.
Mom, can I please ride in the street?
No!
I don't have enough space on the sidewalk. All I can do is 2 houses and then I have to turn back around. And plus you're right there.
That's coolant too. Okay, alright. Oh crap. Got my throttle cable still connected to the throttle body, which I would have to disconnect. Alright, I'm gonna just lift it up so I can just get this up off there. Got the fuel. I don't want to scratch up the head. The gasket. See the valves that were open? These 4 here. That was the problem. When you get in there. Yep, those 4 open. Those are kind of half open right here.
Mm-hmm.
See? This one's completely open. And these open. Open, close. So 2 intake open, exhaust open, intake open here, slightly. That's why I wasn't getting any compression in any. Look at this. They're not seated completely.
Oh, wow.
So no compression. So I wouldn't get any compression in any cylinder because at any given time, all 4 of them either have intake or exhaust valves open. Yep. See, it's clean in there. I mean, the car is driving. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect the fuel line and the rest of the throttle body bolts. Now that I can get to them, you can stop.